Hello, I'm Mark Kimball with Larsen Supply, and I'm going to show you how to hook up a handheld shower unit. When hooking up a handheld shower unit, you're going to take the bracket that holds the handheld, tighten it up, taking a pair of pliers or a wrench, putting a soft cloth over the top, tighten firmly, taking our handheld unit, slipping it into the bracket. Next, we're going to take our hose, and we need to make sure that we install the gaskets in our hose. Slip it in, and when we tighten on the hose, there's no need to use a wrench. Hand tight firmly is all we need to do. Once we have that, there we are. We have a handheld unit installed. But for those of you who would like to have your shower head and the handheld unit, you can purchase this optional diverter valve. And let me show you how that's done. Take this off, disassemble, unwrench the bracket. Here we take our diverter valve. When threading it on, the side eyelet needs to stick out sideways here. Taking our shower head, wrench that on. Taking our bracket, tighten firmly. Slipping our handheld back into the bracket, and again taking the gasket, installing it inside, and tighten in. There. Now we have our diverter valve installed. Flipping the valve for the handheld, flipping the valve back this way lets the water come out the shower head. There's also a wall mount bracket that you can install at any height. And that's it. Afterwards, just turn the water on and tighten securely for leaks.